Komlakhong locals in Imphal West District have been struggling with lack of proper drinking water for over a decade. This ongoing issue has persisted despite Go to Village initiative launched by Chief Minister N. Biren on May 18, 2018. Ward number 4 member of Komlakhong Gram Panchayat Nasimuddin has shared the difficulties with SKTV News, mentioning that the mission aimed to enhance village conditions but has yet to yield noticeable improvements in Komlakhong and nearby areas even 6 years later. Despite the presence of water pipelines and assurances given, residents still lack access to adequate drinking water. Nasimuddin has appealed to the government to ensure the promised benefits of Go to Village mission delivered to locals of Komlakhong and its adjoining villages.
Mafam asi Imphal West District Banung Chana Laiba Korma Gangdani Haiba Mafam Asida 2018 da BJP Lengakna Tampak Langdongi Ahamboina Go to Village Mission Hodoki Mafamni Mission da Hodoka Matunda Nasi Fawada Kunjasing da Go to Village Ki Khudong Chaba Kari Kari Phangage Duga Moina Kari Kari Pamli Bage Haibagi Batanga SKTV Ki Pawdam Mama Niamda Kamjari
Koigi Manipur gi ahan ba hodoki mafam konuma jaga dane Go to Village hodoki baje ado sigi matungdagi thoidokpa kanaba hairagadi hoji phawada koigi lamdam sida lairiba yumthongi ujwala gas ki connection sima ayamba phange singi matangda yum kaisi sananabagi damakta koi laitaba lairaba singigi ayamba yumthongi thagatpane sanction di tawren hairaga hoji phawadi yum tara kun mukti phange aduga makha taga du phange health card ayamba phange phangbe aba eligible oiba khoi Prime Minister Gitsu Ayushman Bharat ki makha adu katusu pai yaba hogi sensata yawbong ki phange naksa kat hogi chengyen ka chingba ayamba dum inthong ki pai yabong khoi pai re aduga hogi khungang yona piba scheme MG Narega gi tangda dum sui hogi drain gumba aduga innovation khungban choba tawdana aduna kanaba ithai lokhong adum pi aduga akhoi si ayamana sinpham sik nga gi farm ayam tawraga dumaina hingja pu khungang ni farm di leiraga law leiraga akhoi nga tha thaba ngamdaba dugumgi matangda akhoi fishery gi magi digi tawya ba khara tawbiraga di khungang si hena develop product na bahona bada mating oigana na khalli aduga akhoi sida khwaidagi sothaba hairaga di education gi matangda primary school lama khosi tan tawdaba ga chapmanai maramdi oja lakte ja amakak thamne sisu lakpa khara laktaba khara adu machine mapura sithai adu machine su akhoi mari leinabana ingsan biraga sotharaba lairaba khungang sigi tungi yomberal arkadoriba akhoi naha singsi education gi mangan matik chaba phanganaba school sima leinaba singni ingjalaga sengbatba pame mung manung singna private school na thara kolaga dum tamhalle aduga upai leitaba singdi lek tamdaba na singsi yamna leiri Singmajing da akhoi primary health center ma lei mafam jidagi kilometer 8-9 chatlaga lei adubu tangai fadana sida su chatnai aduga anak paswai dadi health gi matang sima thoina kudong chaba phangde yam nadi koigi isingi lekai khunno nadi uba adubu isingdi yam marang kairaga sianna ba yaba isingse masi tik chana leitre
Ira masigi matang da pau tamjari ba ana jawa ningomba SKTV News